What's up, internet? I'm out here in 40-degree weather, just getting it. The bike's struggling a little bit today with all the turkey I ate. You know, I'm at its max weight limit. I was riding yesterday and someone almost hit me right here. Let's get it. Here we go. I love this corner. It has been cold the last few days, but I had to get out and get some riding in. This is a good little road to ride down. I figured I figured out how to dress enough to ride in 40-degree weather. So at least I'll be getting some riding in this winter. I'll tell you, one of the worst parts is on your neck. It feels like it's burning. It's so cold. You gotta get one of those neck guards. I need a neck guard, some new gloves. These gloves just aren't thick, so they get very cold very quickly. But yeah, when I get the neck guard and the gloves, I might be able to ride in 30-degree weather. It's a beautiful day out though. Let's check out what's going on up here in town. See if there's anything popping. It's just a normal day down here in Franklin. Not too busy. What are you doing, bud? All right. Nothing going on in town. Let's just zip around some more. If you're watching this is your sign that you need to get a Grom. The Honda Grom is the superior mode of transportation. And even in the middle of winter, the Honda Grom does not disappoint. I was trying a wheelie a couple days ago, and I got it up like all the way up, and then my legs just went whoop, out to the side. It was hilarious. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera. Let's go. That's a nice 40-degree breeze. My hands are basically numb now. That's an awesome view right here. I always love it. Church is like picturesque. Grom's like the only one I can ride because the Ninja goes too fast. It's way too cold. This tops out right at my cold limit. We're going about 55. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to wrap this one up. It's cold. Go back and sit by the fire. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and if you don't already, go get a Grom. Let's ride together. Buy 2 wheels, 1 life. Johnny Grom.